In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize business card template in Canva 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a free template, personalize it with your details, and make it match your brand in a few simple moves. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Canva. Log into your account so everything saves as you work. On the home page, use the search bar and type business cards. From the results, make sure you're looking at the templates section so you're starting with a professionally designed layout rather than a blank design. Browse through the options and pick a template that's close to the style you have in mind. To keep it free, choose a design without the little crown icon. When you found the one, click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Now begin editing the text. Click on the name placeholder and type in your name. Then update your position or job title. Keep your name prominent and your title slightly smaller so there's a clear hierarchy and everything reads at a glance. Next, replace the logo. On the left panel, click Uploads, then Upload Files and select your logo from your device. Wait for it to finish uploading, then click and drag it onto the existing logo area in the template to replace it. If needed, resize it using the corner handles and keep it sharp and centered. A PNG with a transparent background works best for clean results. Update your company or business name, then revise the contact details, your email, your contact number, your location, and your website. Keep formatting consistent, same font sizes, for similar lines, even spacing, and aligned icons if the template includes them. Double check spelling and make sure the website is easy to read. If your template includes a backside, click the second page at the bottom of the editor and customize it too. Swap the logo again if needed, and update the business name to match the front. To change the background color, click on the background, then click the color tile on the toolbar and scroll to choose a color that fits your brand. Aim for strong contrast so text stays readable. You can also adjust the font style. Select any text, open the font menu, and scroll to pick a typeface that complements your brand. Keep it simple. One headline font and one body font usually looks clean and professional. That's it. You've customized your business card template in Canva from start to finish. Take a final look for alignment and consistency, and you're ready to go.